So very warm welcome once again. So in this video I am going to cover on the IUPAC nomenclature for the aromatic compounds. So what are the aromatic compounds? Aromatic compounds, such compounds which are having this benzene ring, 6-membered ring, which is called the benzene ring. And it can be written like this. Benzene ring can be written like this or this. Both are same. So how can we explain it? So basically benzene ring, it is, we can say it is a regular hexagon of 6 carbon atoms. So here like these are the carbon atoms. So it is having the 6 carbon atoms with 3 alternate single and double bonds. So here we can see 3 alternate single and double bonds. So basically we can write in both ways, like this or like this. Both are same. And also another way of writing benzene ring is this. Okay, this we represent the bonds with this circle. So the circle inside the ring, how can we understand? A circle inside the cyclohexane ring represents 6 completely delocalized pi electrons, or we can say 3 conjugated double bonds. So 6 completely delocalized pi electrons and 3, or we can say 3 conjugated double bonds. So this is the benzene, about the benzene. So aromatic compounds are such compounds which are having the benzene ring. And we can understand that any, like we can say these aromatic compounds we can write like this also. Okay, this benzene ring, when it is having one functional group or any substituent here on the benzene ring. So let's discuss now about the IUPAC nomenclature. So first I will talk about the monosubstituted aromatic compounds. So monosubstituted means what? Okay, if the aromatic compound is having the one substituent, if it is having the one substituent, like here we can see the examples. So in this case, like here benzene ring is there and one methyl group is attached to the benzene ring. So in such case we can write the IUPAC name. So for this IUPAC name will be methyl benzene, because this is a substituent. So this will be methyl benzene, and in this case OMe is added. So this, for this name will be methoxybenzene. And here NH2 group is there. So here we can write aminobenzene. So these are the IUPAC name for these compounds. So but they also have some common name also. So we can also write the common name here also by which they are called. So this methyl benzene, common name we call it toluene also. Toluene, when one methyl group is there on benzene ring. And this, when one OCH3 group is there on benzene, it is also known as Anisole. This is the common name. And when one NH2 group is there on benzene ring, it is also called Aniline. This is the name for, common name for this. And here one NO2 group is present on benzene ring. So for this IUPAC name will be nitrobenzene. And here one Br group on benzene ring, this will be bromobenzene. So these are the IUPAC names. They don't have any common name. So then going further, di-substituted aromatic compounds. When 2 substituents are present on the benzene ring. So in this case, like all these examples are having two bromine groups, but the position is different. So here first let us see, for IUPAC name we can do the numbering like this: 1, 2, and here 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4. So for this it will be 1, 2 dibromobenzene. It will be 1, 2 dibromobenzene, and in this case 1, 3 dibromobenzene. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 dibromobenzene. So this is the IUPAC name for all these, and they have the common name also. When these two Br are present at the 1 and 2 position, then name is given as ortho-dibromobenzene. So then it is said ortho-dibromobenzene. Ortho is used when they are having on positions, they are present at positions 1 and 3, meta is used, and when first 1 and 4 position, then para P is used. So 1, 2 position ortho is used, for 1 and 3 meta, and for 1 and 4 para dibromobenzene. This is the common name for it. Na? So then another example, this is the another example, having benzene ring is having here two different substituents, two different functional groups basically. One is the COH and another is the NO2, and we have discussed like this NO2 is always considered as a substituent. So this is the principal functional group in this case. So this will be given the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So name will be 4-nitrobenzoic acid. Name will be 4-nitrobenzoic acid. Then this case here, benzene is having two functional groups, OH and NH2. Then we have to decide which one is the principal functional group. So OH comes above the NH2 group. So this is the principal functional group. So this will be given the position 1 and this will be given 2. Then the name will be 2-aminophenol. In this case 2-aminophenol. Why this 2-aminophenol? Because if benzene ring is having one OH group, this is called phenol. So इसको हम phenol कहते हैं. That is why name for this compound will be 2-aminophenol. So next example is this, where benzene ring is having two functional groups, CN and COCH3. So according to the priority table, this CN is the principal functional group. So priority will be given to the CN, 1, 2, 3. So this is the substituent, and this substituent COCH3 group, this substituent is called the acetyl group. So the name will be 3-acetyl. Name will be 3-acetyl. Position is 3. 3-acetyl benzonitrile. When CN group is present as the principal functional group, nitrile is added as a suffix. 3-acetyl benzonitrile. So this will be the name. So another case can be there when the aromatic compounds are having tri or higher substituted aromatic compounds. So in this, two or more functional groups are there. So again the same rule applies here. Just as we discussed before, first we have to decide which functional group will be written as the principal functional group, and the principal functional group is given the position 1. So let us see with these examples. So like this is the first example. In this first example we can see three functional, okay, so here only one functional group is there in this case. This OH is the only principal functional group, and both these are the substituent. So this will be given 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the numbering. And two substituents, one is the methyl and another is the iodo. So alphabetical order we have to write their name. So name will be 4-iodo, 2-methyl phenol. So then second case, here we can see here COH group, Br and OH are present. So two functional group are there here, OH and COH. So among both of them, which will be the principal functional group? COH will be the principal functional group according to the priority table. And so both these are the substituents. So numbering will be done 1, 2, 3, 4. And name, in the name prefix, in writing the prefix, we have to give the priority to the alphabetical order. So this is the bromo group and this is the hydroxy group. So we will write first bromo group. 3-bromo, 4-hydroxy benzoic acid. This will be the name. So COH group is the principal functional group. Br and OH are the substituents. So 3-bromo, 4-hydroxy benzoic acid. This will be the name. So in this example, again CH2, OCH3, OH. All three groups are there. So here CH2 will be the principal functional group and both these will be the substituents. So numbering will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So name will be, this is the hydroxy, this is the methoxy group. So this will be written first, 4-hydroxy, 3-methoxy benzaldehyde. So this will be the name. So 4-hydroxy, 3-methoxy benzaldehyde. So then next possibility is there. Such cases are there in which all functional groups present in the benzene ring are such which are treated as substituents. And these functional groups which are always considered as substituents are alkyl group, halide groups, fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, nitro group, alkoxy group. So these are like groups which are always considered as the substituents. And while writing the name, IUPAC name, they have to be written in the alphabetical order. Means the name of the group which comes first according to the alphabetical order gets the lowest number. Now, so in this case, like if we see this example, Br and Cl, both are the substituent. So this is the bromo, this is the chloro. So according to alphabetical order, this comes first. So this will be 1, 2, 3. So name will be, its name will be 1-bromo 3-chlorobenzene. So this will be the name. Okay, so the next example is, it is having chloro and 2 nitro groups. So chloro comes first according to the alphabetical order. So numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will be the name for this? Name will be 1-chloro 2,4-dinitrobenzene. So in this case, 1-chloro-2,4-dinitrobenzene. And another example we can see here, this benzene ring is having one NO2 group, one Cl and one CH3 group. So according to this is the methyl group, this is chloro group and nitro group. According to the alphabetical order, first we should give the chloro group number 1. But if we give this chloro group number, this carbon atom having the chloro group as number 1, so then from doing the numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so then the other substituents are getting the higher number. So that is why in such cases we should see that we have to follow the lowest locant rule, according to which other substituents should also get the lower numbers. So that is why in this case we will not start the numbering from this carbon atom, rather we will do the numbering from this carbon atom. So this will be the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the name for this? Name, while writing the name, we will write this chloro first. 2-chloro, 1-methyl, 4-nitrobenzene. So once again I will explain. So in this case, we will start the numbering from this carbon atom, so that all the substituents on the benzene ring should get the lower numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first, but we will write in the name in the alphabetical order. So 2-chloro will come first, then will come methyl, 1-methyl, then will come nitro, 4-nitrobenzene. So then another example is, this benzene ring is having Cl, Br, Cl. So here we will, if we start according to the alphabetical order, we should start with this carbon, bromo. But if we do start the numbering from here, then the other substituent will get the higher number. So that is why in this case also we will start numbering from this 1, 2, 3. So name will be, here the name will be 2-bromo 1,3-dichlorobenzene. So this will be the name. Here we will start the numbering from here 1, 2, 3. Name we will write 2-bromo 1,3-dichlorobenzene. So this will be the name of this compound. So then moving further, few more examples we can study in this. Like if suppose we are having these type of examples. Earlier we have in these type of examples, we can see here in this first example, this benzene ring is having NO2, one NO2 group, one chloro and one methyl group. So as I have discussed earlier, if one benzene ring is having this methyl group, there is some special, or we can say some common name in this case. So this is called toluene. The common name for this is called toluene. So if we have such organic compounds in which we have some common name, so then like in such cases we have to consider these as the substituents, these groups as a substituent, and while writing the name we will write like this. First we will do the numbering so that all the substituents should get the lower number. So numbering will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So name we will write alphabetical order as a prefix. So 2-chloro, 4-nitro, toluene. So this will be the name. So means that this compound is considered as the derivative of this toluene. So if this, again I will repeat once, if we have such organic compounds where they are known by some common name, like in this case, as we have discussed, this benzene ring, if it is having one methyl group, so then name is given, common name is toluene. So then here these will be considered as the substituents, so 2-chloro, 4-nitro, toluene. And in this case, like here we can see one OMe group is there, one chloro and one CH3. So this also we have discussed earlier. If benzene ring is having one OMe group, so the common name for this is Anisole. So this will be considered as the derivative of Anisole. And this Anisole OMe will be given the number 1 position, 1, 2, 3, 4. So name will be 2-chloro, 4-methyl Anisole. So this will be the name for this. So we will start numbering from here: 1, 2, 3, 4. 2-chloro, 4-methyl Anisole. So again we have one example like this. Here this OH group and CH3 group is there. So this case we have also discussed earlier, benzene ring having one OH group. So the common name for this is phenol. So then phenol, so numbering again will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So name will be 3,4-dimethyl phenol. 3,4-dimethyl phenol. So another example is this. Here one NH2 group, CH3 and C2H5 group is there. And we have discussed earlier, if benzene ring is having one NH2 group, so common name for this is aniline. So how will we write the name? So this will be the number 1 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this is the methyl group, here this is the ethyl group. So ethyl group will be written first: 4-ethyl, 2-methyl aniline. So this will be the name: 4-ethyl, 2-methyl aniline. So then moving further, another situation can be where such organic compounds can be there where a benzene ring is attached to an aliphatic chain having a functional group. So this is the example. This is a this is the aliphatic chain. Here we can see this is the aliphatic chain, and one benzene ring is added to it, is attached to this aliphatic chain, which is having the functional group. So in such case, the name is given in this way, where this benzene ring is written as the phenyl derivative of the aliphatic compound, where the parent chain is taken, this aliphatic chain is taken as the parent chain, and this is treated as the substituent. So when benzene is treated as the substituent, phenyl word is used for this. So here we can see, we can do the numbering in this. So this will be the number 1 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we will write the prefix. So prefix will be these two bromo group. Position is 2,3-dibromo. 2,3-dibromo, and on one number carbon atom, this phenyl group is there. 1 phenyl, because this is the 5 carbon atom parent chain, pentane. So here aliphatic chain is there having 2 Br groups and 1 benzene ring attached to it. So in such case, benzene ring is treated as a substituent and phenyl name is added for benzene ring. So name will be 2,3-dibromo 1 phenyl pentane. So let's have one more example like this. Here is also one parent chain, is aliphatic chain is there with this functional group. So this is the we can say principal functional group again. So this is principal functional group, and this will be treated as the substituent, and this is also substituent. So while numbering the chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So prefix for OH group prefix will be 3-hydroxy, 4-phenyl, and because 4 carbon parent chain is there, butanol. For CH2 group, ul is added. Once again, I will repeat. So this is the aliphatic chain having the functional group. So this will be the parent chain, and this is the principal functional group, aldehyde group. OH is the substituent and benzene ring is also the substituent. So while writing the name 3-hydroxy 4-phenyl butanol, so this will be the name. So here, like I have covered all about the IUPAC nomenclature for the organic compounds. Hope it is very much clear to all of you to understand the IUPAC nomenclature of all type of organic compounds. So please watch my earlier videos also, so that it is very much clear to all of you. Hope I am able to make you understand it in a very, very simple way. So thank you so much. Thank you.